A magnetic, the elements we've been working on for the most part have been the outward expression, the basic expression of the element. So for fire, the way you radiate out, air, the way you lift, magnetic, the way you pull it in, and earth, the way you sink it. Now there's almost like a polarity to each one. So you can do fire element completely inwards. You can do air element inwards instead of outwards. Water element, which is naturally in, you can wave water element out. And earth, you can, instead of sinking it, you can bring it in to create a neutralizing type of power. You bring it into the bones to strengthen density. You use that for iron shirt and those types of effects. So they're all paired, essentially, all the elements, an inward and outward expression of the element. Now, the first one, my partner projects a force tension towards me, and we stretch on that, and we go magnetic. We draw our partner in as an inward magnetic. And then we grab the line the same way as before, but we stretch the balance out, and we put the mind there, and we magnetically pull away from our partner's center of gravity. This is in, that's out. In, out. And you change the direction of the wave. You wave away from your body or towards your body. It's easy to learn when you're creating a pulling force inward. When you go out, you need to put your mind behind your partner so that when you touch, the energy magnetically pulls out. So that becomes the plucking, pulling force from here. So there's a certain degree of sensitivity to the energy in and around your partner that you need to develop, and then to put your awareness in that space and then magnetize that connection. So, and here I'm pulling that direction. And there, that's pulling the tailbone down, and so forth. And you can spherically put that pull outside the body on the sphere anywhere you want. Horizontal plane is always the easiest, because the horizontal plane, water element, magnetism, has the least amount of resistance horizontally. Up, it's fighting gravity. Water element, when it touches the ground, spreads. It just wants to spread naturally. Consciousness wants to spread. It's easier just to spread the energy out than it is to send it up. Okay, so get your magnetic line, connect, and then draw in as the way we normally do, and then expand your awareness behind your partner, and then stretch magnetically out. Same body mechanic, but your mind is somewhere else. It's leading energy away from your body. And then you can do your rebounding exercise, where you do that, but magnetically. And you stretch the energy away. You put them on a stretch going away from you rather than your normal ways, compress, decompress. That way you're magnetically pulling the energy. It changes the flavor of what you're doing. So magnetic in and magnetic out.